How you can fix Siri voice not working on your iPhone. Now, this video solves the problem where Siri does not listen to you when you try to call for her. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's begin. First, open up your settings. Now, after you open your settings, just scroll down till you find Siri and Search option. Now, open it up. And right there, what you'll need to do is go to Siri responses. Now here, make sure that your spoken responses is selected on automatic. Now, make sure that it's not on prefer silent responses. It should be on automatic. Now, after you do that, just go back and go to Siri listen for. Now, make sure this is not turned off. And after you've selected one of these two options, that is Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri, your Siri will listen to you when you try to call for her. Now just scroll down for more and make sure that you toggle all of this button on. So yeah, by doing all this, your problem will get fixed. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.